Yeah, my name is Adam Wright, ADAMWRIGHT. I'm a detective with the Gresham Police Department. This morning, our detectives, in conjunction with members of the U.S. Marshal Service and the Portland Police Bureau CERT, served a search warrant at a residence in Northeast Portland where they arrested Anthony Hunter Jr. for the murder of Liam Spahnle-Bailey. The department would like to thank our law enforcement partners and the community for their assistance that led to this arrest.
Can you talk about the assistance? I know it was for a search warrant. Can you kind of get into that aspect of it all?
Since this investigation really focused in on the subjects responsible for Liam's murder, we've worked with our partners, mainly the U.S. Marshal Service, to help find and bring these individuals to justice. We know they have connections throughout the country, and the Marshal Service nationwide reach has been invaluable in facilitating the search.
Is there any indication that he did leave the state, or do you think that he was in Portland the entire time?
I don't want to speculate about where he has been, given the amount of time that's passed since the shooting.
Do you have any indication of where the other two individuals are, or anything you can update about them?
I can say we've received and we're actively following up on tips from multiple areas of the country, including locally.
Some of the documents, the booking documents, mentioned a potential nexus of one of the suspects to Vancouver. Can you confirm that?
Yes, we believe that Xavier Hirsch has connections to Vancouver, Washington.
Are you in communication with law enforcement there to talk about the potential that he's there?
Our detectives have been in communication with law enforcement around the country about this case.
For my own clarification, you mentioned off camera about the arrest warrant, kind of the process of seeing him in court. Is it different than a typical arrest? I believe that's how you said it. Can you kind of explain that for me?
I don't know that it's different necessarily. It's a different path. A lot of our arrests are made based on probable cause, particularly when officers encounter a subject in the field during an active incident. In a case like this, where there's been passage of time and we've identified a suspect, our detectives pretty regularly go to court, present the evidence to a judge, and obtain an arrest warrant for the subjects. That's what was done in this case.
Are you able to say, I know you're looking for them for second-degree murder, is that correct? Can you kind of talk about what exactly you're looking for them, for what charges, I guess you'd say?
That's correct. All three are wanted for second-degree murder, robbery, and firearm crimes.
Is it second degree in this case because there's no intent?
No, second degree is intentionally causing the death of another person.
With this being a stray bullet situation, how does that work out with the intent?
I will leave that to the district attorneys to kind of litigate in court.
Do we know at this point what led up to that shooting, or what events led up to that shooting that night? Again,
those details of the actual shooting are something that we're not releasing at this time to protect the integrity of the court process.
Can you talk about, the efforts that you're putting into locating the other two suspects? Do you have a message for the communities where they might be hiding or located, anyone who might be harboring them?
Yeah, we've had detectives that have been almost exclusively assigned to this investigation since Liam was murdered, and they continue to work this case. We know that people know where these individuals are. I'll wait for the jets to pass.
Wasn't expecting to see them out today.
Air guard practicing. We know that there are people in the community that know where these individuals are. They know where Xavier Hirsch is. They know where Terrell Coy is. They know that they are wanted, and they are continuing to provide them aid and to harbor them. The district attorney has made clear that he will prosecute individuals who are harboring them, and we encourage the community to continue to come forward with information about their location. Liam's family deserves justice, and we will continue to work to see that justice is done for him.
Speaking of the family, can you tell us what the process has been like working with the family in this?
The family's been put in an unimaginable situation. No parent should have to worry about their child going to bed and not waking up the next morning. I don't know what you can expect from a family placed in that horrible situation, but they have been outstanding to work with as we've moved this investigation forward, and our thoughts and sympathy are with them.
This morning, who was present during the arrest again? Gresham PD and who else?
Gresham Police, the U.S. Marshal Service assisted, and the Portland Police Bureau CERT.
Is there any indication that these individuals have affiliation with gangs?
I don't want to comment on that for certain at this time.
Any other details or anything else we could potentially be important to this at this point?
Just encouraging the community to continue to contact us. They can reach out directly to investigators. or anonymously through Crime Stoppers.
Are the two outstanding suspects posing any danger to the public at this point?
I think it's hard to say that anyone who participated in such a wanton shooting where rounds went into another apartment isn't at least some degree of danger in the community. That's why we've had detectives and so many resources committed to getting them into custody.
In your press release, you do say that they're both wanted for, the other two people are both wanted for murder in the second degree and other crimes. Is it other crimes related to this incident or a separate incident?
Related to this incident, the robbery and the weapons charges.
We talked about the harboring. This person was located in a home in Portland. Was the home occupied, and will the people in that home face any charges?
There were other occupants of the house when we served the warrant, and I will leave it to the district attorneys to determine whether any individuals at that house face charges.
You mentioned robbery. I'm sorry, what was robbed again? Like, what did we know was stolen?
Those are parts of the details of what led up to the shooting that will come out in court.
I'm good.
I'm good too.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.